Yeah. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Celeste. Yeah. Want to go outside? Yeah. Okay, I'll open the door for you. It's too dark, baby girl. You want to go check out the bats? Go check out the bats? Hey, Max. Good boy. You're too scared to go outside anymore. Look at her. Look at her. She wants to go outside. Oh, you're so cute. You go outside? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you do, don't you? Yeah. Good girl. What do you say? You want to go outside, baby girl? Hmm? Do you want to go outside? Yeah? Oh, yes. You will climb my leg to tell me?